Hey there, you know what's fun? Granola. In fact, I just made granola. It just came out of the oven, so I haven't clumped it or stored it yet. So you can't really see what it looks like quite yet. That's coming. But it's stupid easy, and it's stupid cheap, and it's stupid awesome, and you're gonna be stupid impressed with yourself. Oh yeah, you will be. It'll take maybe 10 minutes tops, and that's if you're going slowly, to get it all together, and then it bakes for 30 minutes on one cookie sheet. It makes about 6 cups of granola. Eat it as cereal with a little almond milk, little fruit, or put it on some nice cream, or put it on some chia pudding, or stick it in your hand like this. Ow, eat it like that. Cup of coffee, little snack. Oh, Nelly.